Employees evaluation in fairness of the pay structure. Equity theory, to decide whether their pay is equitable, they compare their outcome or input ratio with other people outcome or input ratio. Equity theory, to the employees, made of comparison with people doing the same job in other organization with other people doing the same or different jobs in the same organization. If outcome or output is less than comparison, their pay is unfair and may engage behaviors to create a situation they think is fair. Reason for comparison: sense of injustice or unfairness. Dissatisfaction, justify what they really deserve. Effects of comparison: if an individual that's the other are getting more rewards and recognition compared to him or her who is putting in similar amount of inputs in his or her job, it would lead to some conflicts in relation. The dissatisfaction often leaves the employee demotivated, which is result in lower productivity, in some cases attrition. So the primary purpose ng equity theory is to balance yung nakukuhang output ng worker sa binibigay niyang input. So pag sinabing input, yun yung hard work, performance, skill set, motivation, and technicalities. While yung output naman is yung salary, perks, bonus, at recognition. Para mas maintindihan yung difference ng input at output, ito yung sample. Kunwari, isa akong call center agent. Nagjo-duty ako within 8 hours. 8 hours a day. At yung natatanggap kong sweldo is 20k a month. Bali, ang input dito is yung 8 hours na tinatrabaho ko at yung 20k is yung output. Kasama na dun yung time na inilaan ko sa trabaho. Sa trabaho, hard work, skills na rin to communicate. Output is simple term is yung kapalit ng input na binibigay yun yung sweldo. So kung i-relate yung equity theory dito, sinasabing deserve ko ba o fair ba yung natatanggap kong 20k a month. So kung magtatrabaho ako within 8 hours a day, so equity theory dapat consider na sakto o mas tamang presyo yung sweldong natatanggap ko base sa paghihirap ko sa trabaho. However, kunwari di ako nakontento sa 20k na yon, sa 20k a month na yon, kasi feel ko dapat 25k a month, 25k a month siya. Dun papasok yung comparison. Common reason ng comparison is yung feeling ko unfair yung 20k para sa paghihirap ko. Ibig sabihin, di ako satisfied sa binigay sa akin na 20k. Feel ko rin deserve ko yung mas better kasi nga nagsipag ako sa trabaho like that. At yung 25k a month para mas mapanindigan at mapatunayan na hindi fair yung 20k ay may kumpara ako sa iba. Kaya bakit ako katrabaho ko is mas same lang kami ng ginagawa pero mas mataas yung sweldo niya sa akin. Or bakit sa ibang kumpanya same lang din yung paghihirap ng employees para mas mataas yung sweldo nila. Yung comparison sa part ay tumutulong doon sa employee na makamit yung fairness between inputs at outputs ng workplace niya. Kasi kung magkukumpara ka or magbibigyan linaw yung saang part ba yung naging fair or bakit mas naging fair. That's all. Thank you.